Attention all passengers who are waiting in line for the world famous Jungle Cruise. We apologize if you
like a real trees.
temporarily
And I'm like,
Again, this is a temporary
we think there's real animals.
But if
There's
you like,
that little
we invite
house.
you to keep your place in line. But if you would rather explore other attractions in the area, we encourage you to find your closest exit and ask your Jungle Cruise skippers for assistance. Once again, the Jungle Cruise is has temporarily stopped loading due to technical difficulties. We hope to get up and running just as soon as we can. Thank you for your patience.
That's nougat. What my daddy believes that there is real animals like monkeys and chocos. I think they're fake and they make their own chocolate. That house was sailboats.
I'm watching it.
So, wait. So, when I came in here, it looks like it was like from New Zealand first, and then what is? Oh, they're the boats that you go on. That rugged. Until we go chill. Guys, why are we going into the 9?
Oh, look, they're all going backwards. Jungle Cruise is broken. Everybody's going backwards. Look at this. They all do the right again. Adeline, be careful. Matthew.
We're on the boat. We're now on the boat.
Here's the top of the boat. And below your feet is the bottom. Now if at any point those two switch, swim.
So we're in the
Now if you can't
boat.
swim, that's perfectly fine. Just raise your hand. I'll toss you a bar of soap. That way you can wash ashore. Alrighty there, friends. Yeah, take a seat there in that doorway. I promise it'll make you look adorable. Aww.
It's cute.
Alrighty, with the beautiful people on the dock. And never mind. Him laying over there. Now down here on the left hand, my friend Ginger. But be careful there. Oh, yes, Ginger. Yeah, that's why they just split.
I hope I don't get wet.
Now let's make like a banana. Tell this is an African elephant. Because of his large ears and long tusks. So can anyone tell me why elephants in the jungle are so wrinkly? It's because there's no iron in the jungle. Now, up ahead. Used to be caterpillars. Alrighty there, friends. Now get those no feathers. And now, folks, we have reached the official one out. Hey, who's monkey here to take the picture? He's just doing it for the exposure. And now, friends, I'm going to take a moment here and show you the rope. Down there by the water. So far, rope. You know, we have a real deal today. We will not steer you wrong. As you approach the dock, please remember, keep those hands, arms, feet, legs, pigeons, go! And anything else you have inside the boat at all times. And remember to remain seated. I wouldn't want anyone to experience any peer pressure. And now, my friends, before I forget, you hide away, get in line for some witty dessert.
That's
Don't get in line for the punch there. Because there is no.
I got wet a bit.
And now, my friends, remember, keep those hands, arms, elbows, knees and toes inside the boat here. I don't want anyone to scratch up our beautiful dog. Now, you all have been a wonderful group to me today. You've been marvelous. 5 people on the water side of the boat, we are going to top the line. those front
So
exits
that was a
here.
nice
Watch your
story.
step and use those handrails. Now, if your feet
Okay,
get
Len,
wet while you're getting out,
oh, you're still filming.
going out
Good job.
the wrong way.
That was fun.
Watch.
All right, time to go check out California Adventure during Halloween time. Oh, you guys remember your tickets are?
And then right here for me, ready? Perfect. Are anyone else hopping in there? And then right here. And over here. No, that wasn't up. Okay, cool.
They changed it up a little bit there. Looks a little bit different. It's from a movie, Disney movie. Adeline, is that the ride you want to do?
Yeah.
You excited?
And three people can go on for up to one
Pretty cool. And what's Matthew doing? Oh, it does a loop too. All right, let's get in line.
Daddy, you're gonna be all by yourself.
Okay, what happened? Were you able to get the ride, go on the ride?
No, because I'm not tall enough.
Oh, barely.
They're gonna go by their
Stop.
It's not really?
Is not anybody helping me?
No, nobody's helping you.
I can do it with one hand.
Please remain seated until your memory mover comes to a complete stop.
Adeline,
Will open the door for you.
you ready? All right, let's do this. Let's get that dizzy again. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, it's going to go like. Ooh. That's it. That's it.
All right.
And we're on the red one.
Yeah?
We're just what I wanted. I'm so glad that I'm on the
Try to hold it steady.
We were only trying to get to this one.
All right. Oh.
That's the roller coaster that I wanted to go on, but I was too little.
You're too little. Well, maybe next year. Wow.
Don't say maybe. It's
Okay.
going to be a second.
It's gonna happen. All right.
Going up.
Looking good. As long as there's no spinning, I'm sure everything will be totally okay.
Hold the camera steady.
Guys,
Straight.
I'm going up.
What? Are you kidding me? All right, you're on your own.
Alright. This is the guy that's safe. This is
It's just me.
Spinning gives me a funny feeling.
Funny, ha or funny.
Oh. I think we're going down.
Slowing down.
The emotional whirlwind is ending?
All right, right. Now, please stay in your seats until your memory mover comes to a complete stop. Wait for a mine worker to open your door. We did it, gang. We've done it.
Yay.
How was that ride? How long do you need to be for that?
You want to go on that ride? That's another spinning ride. Let's have dinner first. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel.